What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. If this is your very first time here, I feel like I have not done a beauty video in quite a little minute here. It's been about a month, but it's cool, you know. I hope you guys have been enjoying the other type of content that I have been putting out. So today we're gonna be doing this holiday look. This is perfect for like Christmas parties or New Year's Eve. I am doing full face with you guys, so we are getting into some full glam. Before we hop into the tutorial, please make sure that you have hit subscribe below so that you are updated every time that I drop new videos, and we gonna hop right into it. All right, guys, I feel like I haven't done a makeup video in forever since I've been dabbling in the fashion stuff, so we're gonna really do this up today for the holiday. I want to start with face first. That is one thing that I've been doing differently recently, like within the past like month or so. Okay, give or take 2 weeks, maybe last 2 weeks or so. I have been starting with my face first, out of the ordinary for me. But today we're going to continue with that because I've just started to love it. I'm gonna go in with this Kylie Moisturizer, and this is from Kylie Skin. My face is a little bit dry because I did just get done doing a Instagram tutorial, and when I bulk film like that, of course, I'm not going anywhere, so I just wipe it right off so my skin is dry from wiping off that makeup. So we're gonna be using this Milk Hydro Grip primer, and I really like this primer. It is amazing. It's been one of my favorite ones these past few weeks. So if any of you guys saw a video a while back, it was a nice little while ago, I was trying to figure out how to open up this Fenty Beauty foundation, and I didn't think you could open it, but I just looked it up on YouTube and there she is. So I'm gonna use up the rest that I have inside of this for foundation today. And this is in 420. Usually my perfect shade. She's looking a little light right now, but we gonna see what's gonna happen once we blend her out. And I'm just blending this out with this Colourpop brush. We all know that this foundation does oxidize, so it's gonna be darker in just a few moments here. So everybody just calm down. For concealer today, I am gonna use Juvia's Place. This is their I Am Magic concealers, and I'm gonna go in with number 12 first. And this is pretty much just my regular concealer shade, and then I'm gonna highlight it a little lighter after that. Look at me, I need to get my hair up out of the way, Maya. So first I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out before I go in with a lighter color. And recently I've been doing this where I blend out that outer part first, so that I don't bring so much of the concealer like out this way and you have like all of this be that color. This kind of blends it into the foundation. Y'all see that? Kind of blends it, makes it seamless, and that way at the end I'm going to use the beauty blender to blend that, just so we keep the color concentrated, because I do want this to be like super like beat for the holidays. We're trying to have a bright under eye, but we don't want to bring that out into the face and cheekbone area. And I'm kind of going to do the same practice up here at the top. All right, it's looking how I need it to look. Now we're gonna go ahead into this part, but I'm just gonna try to keep that color here in that area without pulling it outwards. All about placement and blending. Now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight on my under eyes a little more. I'm gonna go in with Juvia's Place number 16, and just gonna put some little dots there, and a little bit on my nose. Maybe a tad on my forehead, just a tad. And then I'm also gonna go in with my concealer, which is Infallible Full Wear Concealer. And I'm gonna put this around the perimeter of my face. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend this all out. Sometimes it's probably not good to use a beauty blender for this, but sometimes I just love blending out with my beauty blender. And with that lighter color, y'all see how bright it just got there? You definitely want to and do that same tip that I said, like leaving it right there in that area, because you don't want that white lighter under eye to come out into the face. I'm gonna go ahead and bring some of that concealer up on the eyelid just for a little pre-priming for later. And I'm gonna take my Real Techniques brush, which is my favorite brush for blending, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my contour. And it's the same situation with this, since we did use very different colors. You see how crazy I'm looking right now. We are gonna fix that, obviously. The butt of the beauty blender that has some foundation on it, I'm gonna go ahead and to blend out. See? Now she's blended. For powder today, we're going to use a Mented. Y'all know I love me some Mented Cosmetics. Love them. Black-owned company, black-owned brand. And I'm going to use their Skin Silk setting powders. The first one I'm going to use is in Light Tan. And I'm going to go ahead and use that to highlight in my highlighted areas because we are going for a very dramatic, overly contoured, deep contour type of holiday look. So I'm just going to tap this and then put the excess on my hand and press it into the skin. Then we're actually going to go into their other powder that they have. They did come out with 3 different shades. That one was a medium tan, and the next one we're going to go into is their medium deep powder. And I use this to kind of set the rest of the face. So I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and just use it to set the rest of my foundation and my contour before I go into bronzer. And this just gives us that matte finish. I also will take this too on the butt of my beauty blender and press it into my skin right here so that, you know, I get crazy smile lines. And especially for holidays, you do want to make sure that that is taken care of. It's gonna happen, but you know, just prevent it just a little bit. Got like my little lights in the back. Do a little holiday feel, you know. Alrighty, so for bronzer, we're gonna go into this Mented bronzer. And I'm pretty much gonna go over my contour and bronze a little bit, make it a little darker, a little more warm. And I also use this for my nose contour as well. Okay, so we have a lot of shadiness going on with this face. It's very bright on the under eyes. We have a lot of contour going on, but that was the goal. All right, I'm gonna bring y'all a little bit closer so we can get in on this eye look. It's nothing too crazy, but still I want y'all to be able to get the full effect, so. Come on. First, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids. And this is with the Makeup Obsession Mega Conceal. And this is in a very light color. This is 09. Look how light that is. But it's fine. I like to use a lighter color to conceal my eyes first and prime the eyes. So I'm kind of feeling like a traditional holiday look. Something easy that everybody can do. So maybe like a smoky eye. So I think we're going to go into this Bare Necessities palette from Colourpop. Kind of washed out. There we go. There she is. I think we're gonna go into the Taboo, and that is like a very deep brown color here. I think I'm gonna put this on the eyelid, and this is a very deep color, but I am gonna blend it out with another color. Smaller brush. Of course, I did this to get the color payoff, get the pigment where I want it to be. But to blend, we never want to use something like this because if you don't want the color to be super blown out, this is way too big. So I'm gonna get something a little bit smaller. And this is a cute little blending brush from Colourpop. And this is their E9 brush. I'm going to go into this color All For You. And I'm going to use this to blend out Taboo. This is the color All For You. Sometimes you do want to go back in with the darker color though. I didn't put any more product on this brush just to reinforce the color because sometimes it can get lost. So on the lids, I really want to do something more shimmery and glittery. First thing I'm going to do is go in with some concealer just so that, because we do have a little bit of darkness where I want this color to go. So I'm just going to dab some concealer right in the middle and I'm going to blend that just to get more of a surface area that's not dark where I want the lighter color. So for the lid, I'm going to go into the Colourpop. I think this is one of their butterfly palettes. This is the Curated palette. Let me figure out what I want to do on this eye first and then I'll be back. I'm going to go ahead into this color in the Curated palette. I'm not too sure what the name of this color is, but I'm going to take this. It's like a mauve purple shimmer. I'm going to place this right in the middle of the lid. Look how pretty that color is. Like, whew, that is so cute. Y'all know I love me some purple. So I'm going back into Taboo just to blend the shimmer into the matte shade that's around it. So on top of that shade, I'm going to go into this gold glitter that's right here. I'm going to go ahead and use my finger and I'm just going to place it on the lid. So you just add a little extra holiday flair to the look. And I'm going to go ahead into Taboo on the bottom lash line and just bring that underneath. And I'm going to go ahead and smoke that out also. And for my inner corner highlights, I am going to go ahead into gold that's here in the palette. On the bottom lash line, I'm going to go into this NARS eyeliner. I've been loving putting like a color into the bottom lash line recently. And to finish this look, I'm going to pop on some lashes and my mascara at the bottom. And that's all she wrote. Okay, so I know y'all noticed that my lips been super dry the whole time. So I have to get a little something to get it together. For highlighter today, I want to do a blush. Do I want to do a blush with this? Nah. You know, I ain't really a blush type of chick. You know, I'm more of a bronzer, highlighter type of girl. I ain't crazy about the blush. We are going to go into this highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their loose highlighter in So Hollywood. When I first got this, I did not love it. It is a blinding type of highlight, but to me, it's kind of grainy. And I wasn't completely here for that. But we're going to try it today just to get a pop like we're looking for. Like, look at that. Look at that. I don't know. I might take that back with the whole grainy situation. To me, it still is a little grainy, but she's definitely doable. See, that's pretty. That is pretty. I'm committed to getting makeup in my hair. I am. But for a lip today, I think we should go something a little more nude. This will be a lot with like a deep lip, which that's not necessarily that that's a bad thing, but I say we go with something more nude, something more wearable. I use these NARS 25th anniversary lipsticks. I think I'm gonna go ahead into Dominatrix around the perimeter and then Raw Love in the middle. Okay, real quick, I am gonna add this BUXOM gloss right in the center. It's like a very frosty purple color, just for a little extra for that ombre. And now we're done. All right, guys, so this is our finished look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm feeling this look perfect for like maybe not sitting on your family's couch on Christmas, but you know, I feel like this is good for New Year's Eve. It's good for Christmas parties, you know, for work or going out with your friends and all that jazz. This is perfect. So if you guys like this video, give me a big thumbs up, comment below and let me know if you like it. Also, if you have not yet, please make sure you hit subscribe below so you can join the Galore gang, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.